going to Philly. I'm about to buy a Philly charger. This is terrible. I'm kind of scared for this. Should I walk out with it? Let's get it poppin'. Go look at this Hellcat again. This time, it better be fucking test drive. We already called, so we test drive. So y'all gonna see me test drive the Hellcat today, alright? Might be getting rid of the baby, I don't know, man. We're gonna see. Really don't want to, but it's on a bigger and better thing, man. My fucking money is gone. I need y'all to like this video because I keep fucking putting gas to go hours away so y'all can see this shit, alright? Officially bored, so I need y'all to like this video because you know what I mean? I need help. I need y'all help. Play y'all footballs here, baby. Let's get it. And another thing, we're going to Philly. I'm about to buy a Philly charger. Terrible. I'm kind of scared for this. Philly's scary to buy a car from. You know, them shits get fucked up. Like, we call fucking Philly chargers for a reason. They be fucking them shits up. Hopefully this one's good. Dangerous place, man. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, Philly. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we on the way to Philly, man. I'll catch up with y'all.
You wanna write a book, how to get cash, call it OT. Pulled up with a bitch, look like Angelina Jolie. I just put a 3+1 in the Fago. Lil Broski in the back strap.
Alright, y'all, so I lied. I thought it was in Philly, but it's actually Jersey, so I feel a little better. I ain't want a Philly charger. I ain't gonna lie. I really ain't want a Philly charger, man. It's a Jersey one, so we chilling. I fuck with that. It's Jersey, so I feel a little better. Hopefully it ain't too beat up, or hopefully it ain't from Philly. We gonna see. Lay a nigga fall. Somebody was test driving that joint. Haha. Little GT, little V6 bullshit. What the hell going on here? Where the Hellcat at, man? I'm gonna have to make it. I'll steal that motherfucker. Ha! Typical. Damn. Bro, look how low that shit is, bro. Oh! Is this on bags or is this low like that? Bro, they fucking took that Hellcat's butt. Oh! 5-spoke's kind of tough, bro. They tough. I was thinking about getting, like, if I get a Hellcat, my build is gonna be crazy, bro. I ain't never think about getting 5-spokes like the ones I got on my Scat. Bro, them shits is hard. No bullshit. Let me go park, man. Hold on. They probably got the one I'm about to test drive inside. I already know all the Hellcats are inside. Hello. Is that fucking? Is that Hellcat? Go and catch him.
You's a freaky ass nigga.
They got the 5-inch tips on there. Oh my god. The Hellcat. It's that Ricky. It's that Ricky. Look clean though. They look clean. Oh, they got a nice fleet here. This is hard. Oh my god. Charlie. Is red eye? Oh my god, red eye. Ew. Ew. Come look at the 170 though. They got the demons. Nasty. That demon right there, boy. You never play with it. God. Their guts too. Their guts are nasty. I might fuck around and get this joint. I'm keeping beans. Might get this joint right here.
What?
Hellcat Durango, nasty. Look at this joint. Hellcat Durango. Jose would have loved this drum. 300C right here.
Yeah, look at the 6.4.
Scat pack, yup. Ew. Oh, nah.
SRT. How you feel, bro? It's raining now, man, for your test drive.
Always something. Every fucking time. Always something. Every time we try to do something, it always rains. Mother Nature strikes again.
Perfect.
707 on the dash. Of course it rains during the test drive. Like, couldn't get away from it.
That exhaust definitely not starting.
Hellcat, that red
shaky, man. The shifting nice. So far, so good. It just wants to. It just wants to go. It just wants to go. Like. Way they're going electric. Like, why? Just why, bro? It makes no sense. Who wants that? I don't think nobody wants that. Put it on cold. John was shifting nice, man. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, this Hellcat's up different. I ain't gonna lie. They said it was stock exhaust, but they cabin like a motherfucker. That shit is loud as fuck. Hey, man. Should I walk out with it? Huh?
Yeah.
Or should I go look at some more? I don't know. Let's go look at this Johnny Cat. 5 spokes are tough, though. I ain't gonna lie. I want the red eye wheels, bro. Y'all can't say I'm dicking off Lenny, because I was the one that told that motherfucker to get those wheels, nigga.
God damn.
They did this one bad. Yo, ain't the 5 spokes tough? Somebody definitely try to steal this.
Oh!
This shit on hard, bro. I just test drove it. We're running the numbers right now, so we're gonna see what's up. I ain't gonna lie. It's a good thing. We're gonna look, bro. How long that really keep? But they on bullshit, man. I'm telling you, this Hellcat, man. Don't stop. We're gonna keep going, bro. Okay. Look who's calling. Wow. This shit hard though. Yo, the test drive was like a Hellcat. Now I see what niggas mean when they say, yeah, like the Hellcats. Yeah, bro, like that shit's tough, bro. That shit's ridiculous. I'm definitely gonna be in debt though. So I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? You know, would like to donate. You know, you just hit that subscribe button, you know, and send it to a friend. You feel me? I'm gonna need it. I'm doing it for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all, bro. Like, y'all gotta turn me up. Turn me the fuck up, bro. Come on. Fuck with your boy. Like, what's wrong with y'all? Y'all niggas gotta turn me up, bro. What are y'all doing? What the fuck are y'all doing? Oh! Oh my god, I need that wine, bro. I need that.
Before I wrote a rap, these bitches heard of me. I'm known for at least 80 in a cut just for emergencies.